In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute audio and video in Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll feel confident managing your own mic and camera, and if you're the host, you'll know how to quickly control audio and video across the meeting to keep things smooth and distraction-free. Let's start with your microphone. In the Zoom meeting window, look at the toolbar, usually along the bottom left. Click the microphone icon to mute yourself and click it again to unmute. This is the quickest way to cut background noise, side conversations, or keyboard clicks without leaving the meeting. If you prefer a shortcut on a PC, press Alt+M to mute or unmute. Get in the habit of muting when you're not speaking. Your fellow participants will thank you, and your meeting will sound much clearer. Next, your camera. Right next to the mic, click the Stop Video icon, which looks like a small camera. When your video is off, the camera icon shows a red slash, making it obvious that your video feed is paused. This is helpful when you need a quick privacy break, or if your bandwidth is limited and you want to keep the audio stable. You can turn it back on at any time by clicking the same icon. If you want extra privacy and consistency when joining meetings, you can set Zoom to disable your mic and camera automatically. On the desktop app, open Settings, go to Audio, and enable the option called Mute My Microphone when joining a meeting. On mobile, whether you're on iOS or Android, open the Zoom app, go to Settings, then to Meeting or Meeting Settings, and toggle on Always Mute My Microphone and Always Turn Off My Video. This ensures you never join a call unintentionally on mic or camera, and you can turn them on when you're ready. Now, if you're the host, you have tools to manage the room. To mute all participants, click Participants in the meeting toolbar, then click Mute All at the bottom. If you need a quiet session, you can also uncheck Allow participants to unmute themselves, which prevents people from turning their mic back on until you allow it. This is great for presentations or classes. To stop someone's video, open the Participants panel, hover over their name, click More, and choose Stop Video. If you want them to be able to turn it back on, click Ask to Start Video. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. With these controls, you'll keep your meetings focused, professional, and free of unwanted interruptions.